Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. For 2025 Sunday Racing. Linggo na naman, weekend na naman. Happy Family Day sa inyong lahat. At muli, the family that prays together, stay together. Ngayong araw ng linggo, meron tayong 7 races. Yung sprint race lang, ang 1,000 meter distance. Yung iba pang 6 na karera ay pawang 1,400 meter run. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng linggo, 2 p.m. alas 2 ng hapon. Ngayong araw ng linggo, gaganapin ang 2025 Veracom 4-year-old and above sprint race. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Pero by the way, ongoing pa ang Saturday racing. Katatapos lang, just now, yung race 4. At wala po tayo nung nanalo. Masyado ko pong inasahan yung number 2 na Charge the Castle, pero disappointing run. At katulad po ng aking pag-amin, wala po naman talaga tayong inside information. Patuloy na po natin ang ating mga cool choices ngayong araw na linggo. Winner take all covers races 1 to 7. Race 1 is ang 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 3, Candy and Wine, will be skipper by J.A. Pastoral. Second choice, number 6, Lucky Mama, J.D. Huko riding. Dito sa race 2, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 6, Club Habana. Ang ating pong cool second choice, number 7, High Intensity. Dumako tayo sa race 3, Peak 5, covers races 3 to 7. Ito na po ang 2025 Veracom 4-year-old and above sprint race 1,000 meter. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Palawig. Matagal nang hindi tumatakbo sa regular na race, pero palagi naman nagpapakita sa kanyang mga barrier run. Ang ating pong cool second choice, number 2, Warsipul Master. Race 4, Peak 4, covers races 4 to 7. Dito ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Hakim. Second choice, number 6, Kaboom. Sa likod ng programa, race 5, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Catalytic. Ito po yung susunod, hahabol, lalampas. Ang ating pong cool second choice, number 8, Believe in Me. Ito naman ang habulin. Abutin. Pero pwede rin namang hindi abutan. Sa race 6, race na may pentapekta, penultimate race. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Potential. Second choice, coupled entry, 7, Clairvoyant. 7A, Misha. As race, paratingan, race na may Super 6. Ang ating pong first, cool and only choice. Parang narambol na. Ang ating pong cool first, only choice, number 9, Bride 3. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!